All right. So when I'm looking at this here, how many angles do you see in this figure? Be very careful before you answer. 3 angles total. Let's talk about where they are. We've got this angle, that's ROS. We've got this angle over here, that's SOT. And where's the third angle? ROT. That is this whole big angle right here. Is ROT a straight line? No. So it's not going to be equal to 180. But I can take those 2 smaller angles, the red one and the green one. When I put them together, I get that blue one, ROT. That is my angle addition postulate. So the measurement of angle ROS together with plus the measurement of angle SOT is equal to the measurement of angle ROT. What is the measurement of angle ROS? 4x minus 20. So I'm going to use substitution to replace the measurement of angle ROS in that equation with 4x minus 20. How big is the measurement of angle SOT? 3x plus 14. So I'm going to use substitution again. I'm going to substitute 3x plus 14 in the place of the measurement of angle SOT. Once again, be careful before you answer. Were we told a measurement for angle ROT? Yes, where? Right up here in the text. That's the measurement of angle ROT. So what they're telling me is from here all the way around to here is 408 minus 11x degrees. So 408 minus 11x takes the place of angle ROT. What would I want to do next? Combine like terms. I have a 4x and a 3x on this side. I combine those together to get what? 7x. Are there any other like terms on the left that I should combine together? Negative 20 and positive 14. What is negative 20 plus 14? Negative 6. So 7x minus 6 equals 408 minus 11x. Do I have all of my x's on one side? No. I've got the x's on both sides right now. I need to get them grouped on just one side together. So how do I make it cancel out in one spot? Add 11x to both sides. What is 7x plus 11x? 18x. So I have 18x minus 6 equals 408. What would I want to do next as I'm solving this? Add 6 to both sides. So it's going to cancel out on the left. What is 408 plus 6? $414. What do I do after that? Divide both sides by 18. Does this one come out nice and pretty? Yes, what is it? 23, bless you. Is that everything we were supposed to do in this problem? Did we do everything we're supposed to? No, we solved for x, yes. What else were we supposed to do? Find ROS, anything else? And find SOT. Let's find ROS first. Measurement of angle ROS was equal to 4x minus 20, and we just found out that x is how big? 23. So I'm going to replace the x with 23. What is 4 times 23? 92. And 92 minus 20? 72. So the measurement of angle ROS is 72. This one gets degrees because we just found the measurement of an angle. X is not an angle, but ROS is. All right, we also need to find the measurement of angle SOT. That was 3x plus 14. We're going to replace that x with 23. What is 3 times 23? 69. And 69 plus 14 would give me what? 83. So the measurement of angle SOT is 83 degrees. We had to use our angle addition postulate in order to be able to set up the problem so that we knew where to put these different pieces and what to set equal. All right, go ahead and go to page number 3. We've got a proof there. They have filled in all of the statements for us. Our job is to fill in the reasons. First thing that I notice about this proof is that the given information. No, that is not what they told us up here was our given information. If it's not coming from here, then it has to be coming from the picture. How do we know that angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair? What do you notice about angle 1 and angle 2? Do they have anything in common? Do they share anything? Yep, they share this side right here, and together they make this straight angle. They make a line. What about angle 3 and 4? Do they have anything in common? Yep, they share a side right here, and together they make a line. So why does that mean, or how do I know that those are linear pairs then? What did you say? Close. Read your linear pair theorem. Definition of linear pair. This is saying I looked at the picture, I see them side by side, I see them sharing a side, so they're adjacent. Together they form a straight angle. That would be definition of linear pair. All right, so then we jump down here to step 2. Up here I said angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair, and here I said they're supplementary. I said angle 3 and 4 form a linear pair, and here I said angle 3 and 4 are supplementary. How do I know that because they're a linear pair, that would mean they're supplementary? That's our linear pair theorem. Down here, my third statement, I have the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2 equals 180. The measurement of angle 3 plus the measurement of angle 4 equals 180. Up here I said they were supplementary. So why am I allowed to say now that if I add them together it equals 180? I knew they were supplementary. Definition of supplementary angles. All right, so now I'm looking at the next line down. Angle 1 and angle 2 being added together, that's right here. Angle 3 and angle 4 being added together, that's on the other side of the equal sign. How did I go from 2 equations that were both equal to 180 to having just one equation. How did I know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4? What are we using to be able to say that? I know that angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180. I know that angle 3 plus angle 4 adds up to the same thing. So why am I allowed to not write the 180 down and instead write angle 3 plus angle 4 in its place? Substitution. Where in the world did this come from? It seemed to just come out of nowhere. That's that given information up at the top. They waited all the way until step 5 to state that given information. When I'm writing a proof, I always put that at the very beginning. Not everybody does, and that's okay. But when I'm writing it, if I was doing this one, I would have put that up at the very beginning. What happened between statement 4 and statement 3? What's the same and what's different? Yeah, now it has a 2 twice. Well, what used to be in the place of this one? Because this is the same and this is the same as up here. Angle 3. Why are we allowed to not write angle 3, but instead write angle 2? Substitution. We're told right here that they're equal value, and I can swap out things of equal value. So that is substitution. What happened between statement 6 and statement 7? Subtraction. Measurement of angle 2 in both of these spots was taken away. I subtracted the same thing from both sides. So that would be my subtraction property of equality. All right. Very nicely done. I want you guys to look at number 6. I'm going to give you a couple minutes to work on that on your own. It's just like number 4 that we started class off with. Take about 3 minutes to work on that on your own, and then we're going to go through that together, and then that'll finish out our notes. All right, so what is the angles, or what are the angles that we would be adding together? Which one? 5x plus 65, which is angle TSU, this one right here. We have to add that together with what other angle? RST, so the measurement of angle TSU together with the measurement of angle RST. How big is angle RST? That one's 20 degrees. That came from over here. Here's TSU. When we add those two angles together, it gives us what larger angle? RSU. So in the place of TSU, we have 5x plus 65. In the place of RST, I put what? 20. And what do I put in the place of angle RSU? 4x plus 100. What do I need to do to solve this now? Combine like terms, so I'm going to combine the 65 and the 20. What is 65 plus 20? 85. So I have 5x plus 85 equals 4x plus 100. Are my x's all grouped on one side together? No, I need to get them there. How do I do that? Subtract 4x from both sides. What is 5x minus 4x? 1x. So I can write that down as just x. X plus 85 equals 100. What else do I need to do to isolate x? Subtract 85 from both sides. And so x equals what? 15. Is there anything else I needed to do in this problem? I need to find the measurement of angle RSU. Well, what was the measurement of angle RSU that we were given? 4x plus 100. And now we know that x is how big? X is 15, so I'm going to substitute that in the place of x. What is 4 times 15? 60. And 60 plus 100? 160. So the measurement of angle RSU is 160 degrees. Very nicely done. That finishes up all of our 3-6 notes. The 3-6 homework, which is the 5th homework in this module, the 3-6 homework that you picked up yesterday on your way in, is due tomorrow. You need to work on that first. I'll be able to answer any questions you have about that whatsoever. After you're done with that, you guys need to get started on the review, which was right here to pick up on your way in. If you don't have a copy of the 3-6 homework because you misplaced yours or you weren't here yesterday, come on up to my desk and I will get you an extra copy.